Hello student, this video is for class 7 Nutrition in Plants part 2. In part 1 we have learnt about nutrition and its type. I told you what is nutrition and I told two kind of nutrition, autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition, and we discussed a lot about autotrophic nutrition which was totally based on photosynthesis, and that day I told you plant is the only organism which can prepare its own food. Today once again I want to make it clear, plant is the only living organism which can synthesize or prepare its own food. Otherwise all other living organism like us, means human being, animals, जानवर, these kind of organism always wait for food to get ready. Like we always wait that a crop will get ready, then we will cut them, we will harvest them, and we will bring them at home, and then that crop will be cooked. In the same way, for the vegetarian human beings, they always wait that these animals will get matured or adult, then only we will eat them. Means we are dependent on crop, we are dependent on animal, we are dependent on vegetables. We are not self-dependent like plant. Have you ever heard that plant is waiting for their dinner, they are waiting for their lunch or breakfast? No, they don't, because they are self-dependent. That's why this is told that they follow autotrophic nutrition, because they can prepare their own food. They don't wait for someone else, that somebody will come and that person will serve their food. No. So that's why they are autotrophs, because they follow autotrophic nutrition. And I told you the process by which they prepare their food is called photosynthesis. So this much have been discussed already in part 1. So now today we are going to discuss second kind of nutrition, that is heterotrophic nutrition. Heterotrophic nutrition. By the way, this is followed by human beings, animals. But here a very surprising thing is that, one question: do all plants can prepare its food? Answer is no. Only green plant can synthesize their food, but there are still some plant that cannot prepare their own food, and they follow heterotrophic nutrition instead of autotrophic nutrition. It means we have both kind of plant which follow different kind of nutrition. Green plant follow autotrophic nutrition, and there are some plant which we are going to discuss, they follow heterotrophic nutrition. So let's discuss what are the plants that follow heterotrophic nutrition. Means it's a very surprising thing. Means how a plant can be dependent on someone else who will come to serve food for them. It's a very surprising. So that we are going to discuss. Let's see. You might have heard about Amar Bale. If not, try to know from your parent, from your dada, dadi, parents. Try to know about Amar Bale. Do you know they climb on any host plant, means on any big plant? Okay, you can say on a tree. They climb. This Amar Bale, they are yellow wiry kind of plant. वायरी तार की तरह होते हैं, बिल्कुल येलो वायरी और पीले कलर के होते हैं. यू माइट हैव सीन that yellow wiry plant climbing on any tree. बिल्कुल मुड़े मुड़े से रहते हैं उनके ब्रांचेस में, उनके पत्तों में भी लगे रहते हैं. If you search for Amarbel, you will find the picture also. Now, the most interesting thing is that this Amarbel, which is yellow wiry kind of plant, cannot synthesize its food. Means it is unable to prepare its food. Now, this is a living organism, and each all living organism require food for the survival, which is a fundamental thing. So now question is that from where they get their nourishment, from where they get their food, उनको मिलता कहाँ से उनका खाना. तो for that this tree is responsible. This tree provides them ready-made food. I am telling ready-made food. As we know, ready-made is that thing which is already prepared. Only that thing is to be used. बस अब उसको इस्तेमाल करना है, वो पहले से ही रेडी है. तो दैट फूड इज ऑलरेडी प्रिपेयर्ड बाय दिस ट्री by using photosynthesis process, and now that food is provided to this Amarbel which is climbing on this. So one thing I want to tell you, the tree which provide food to the this kind of plant, or you can say this Amarbel, is called host. And what is this Amarbel? Amarbel is also known as Cuscuta in English. Cuscuta, and in Hindi it is Amarbel. So this the plant which provide nourishment to the climber is called host, and the plant which get nourishment from the host plant is called parasite. Clear? Means Amarbel is parasite and this tree is host. Clear? Now there is a question for you. Is Cuscuta or Amarbel autotrophs or heterotrophs? What do you say? As per the definition of autotrophs, the organism which can prepare their own food is called autotrophs, and heterotroph which are dependent on someone else. So what about Cuscuta? Can it prepare its food by itself? No. It is getting its food from this host plant. Means it is dependent. So definitely this will be heterotrophs. Now let's take one more plant which come in the category of heterotrophic nutrition. That is pitcher plant. It's a very amazing thing that do you know that a plant can eat an insect? Yes, it's an amazing thing, but it's true. Even plant can eat insects, and that plant is pitcher plant. We also called it insectivorous. Actually, these plants have bag-like structure, and as any insect come near to this bag-like structure, they trap it. Means as the insect sit over it, they close it. Means they trap it, and further they digest it, and they get nourishment from these kind of insect. So this is how we can say pitcher plant is also dependent on some other organism, means on insect. So it will also come in the category of heterotrophs. Now at last there is a homework for you. Take a screenshot of it or write in your copy. Write their answer and learn them. Thank you. Have a nice day.